Welcome to Dose of Drawings. Today is the 22nd day of the Inktober challenge, and the word for today is chef. As you can tell by the title, I will be drawing Mr. Mime and Octillery from Pokemon. Mr. Mime and Octillery are kind of self-explanatory. Basically, Mr. Mime is a mime-like Pokemon and Octillery is an octopus-like Pokemon. For the word chef, I decided to draw Mr. Mime as the master chef cooking up some delicious fried rice in the wok. Next to Mr. Mime, as you can see, I drew Octillery cutting away a sausage to go with the fried rice. Comment down below what you think about the drawing and what's your favorite food to eat. For the rest of the video, enjoy a time-lapse of me drawing Mr. Mime and Octillery from Pokemon for the word chef, day 22 of the Inktober 2020 challenge.